Apple Vision Pro, which will be the direct successor to the first generation model, might arrive in two versions, high-end and more affordable, according to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. The future is closer than we think, with the next generation of Apple's Vision Pro, the Vision Pro 2. One of the standout changes in the Vision Pro 2 is its refined design. Apple is focusing on making the headset more comfortable and user-friendly, with simplified rear straps that are reminiscent of the durable flat straps you'd find on a high-end laptop bag. These changes aren't just about aesthetics, they aim to make the Vision Pro 2 easier to wear for longer periods, enhancing comfort without compromising on style. The Vision Pro 2 is set to feature a major upgrade in display technology. Rumors suggest Apple is moving to brighter and more efficient micro OLED displays. The leap from WOLED to RGB OLED OS displays is a game changer, offering richer colors and sharper visuals that could surpass the clarity of even the best 4K TVs. And it's not just about the pixels. The removal of color filters, thanks to the RGB OLED OS, means the colors will pop like never before, bringing your digital world to life with unprecedented vibrancy. Performance is where the Vision Pro 2 really shines. Apple is reportedly integrating the processing power of its latest Apple Silicon, potentially allowing the headset to leverage the M5 chip, or even newer iterations by the time it launches. This would mean a significant boost in computing power, enabling more complex and immersive experiences. But here's the twist. Apple might be shifting some of the processing to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, using them as hubs to power the Vision Pro 2. This not only reduces the need for a bulky internal processor, but also helps bring down the cost, making this cutting-edge technology more accessible. Apple is rumored to be tweaking the audio experience, possibly with flatter speakers designed on each side of the headset for a more immersive sound. Additionally, the Vision Pro 2 is expected to retain a host of sensors such as the True Depth camera, ambient light sensors, and computer vision cameras, while introducing new ones to enhance spatial awareness and user interaction. These advancements are not just incremental, they're set to elevate the precision and realism of AR and VR environments. As for when you can get your hands on the Vision Pro 2, leaks suggest we might see it as early as late 2025, with production testing potentially starting that year. However, a 2026 or even 2027 release is more likely, giving Apple the time to perfect this ambitious device. And the price? While nothing is set in stone, Apple seems determined to make the Vision Pro 2 more affordable, targeting a price point closer to a high-end iPhone. This could put it in the range of $1,600, significantly less than the original Vision Pro's $3,500 price tag.